It's his first time trying analog.
Oh yeah, baby.
Does that feel nice?
That's fast.
Fast as what?
That's fast, man. Okay. Let's try to go.
Hey, very careful, don't bother us.
Can you see?
I'm filming you.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I'll watch too. Yeah. But do you see the responsiveness? Doesn't it feel super responsive?
Oh, yeah, man. It's super like. Okay, I'm going for a little divey dive.
Just careful, there's cords there. Yeah. Woo! Yeah.
Okay, that's so different. The sticks that the sticks that are super loose, you know?
Yeah. I feel fluid, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Sorry, I'm flying a little like
Woo.
so.
Yeah. So here's the thing, it doesn't look as good as DJI, right?
Yeah, but it's sick though.
It just feels amazing though.
Yeah, man.
Like,
So sick.
like don't you feel like you're really connected?
I don't feel latency at all.
Yeah.
Man.
So it's something you don't really understand until you get used to DJI, and then you fly analog, and it's like, wow.
It's true. But it's tough to pilot at that angle, you know. Just to land now, I don't know.
No, keep going till you're at 6. Take it to 3.6.
Okay.
Just careful with the trees.
Yeah.
Just try following the lines of the building. Yeah, careful. Woo!
Yeah, it's the. Oh, I lost connection, bro.
Okay.
I lost connection.
That's okay. There, go down.
It's all black.
Okay, disarm. We're good.
It was all black, bro.
Congratulations, Tommy. You're the first one to break a discus. And this was this the 3mm? 3 or 3.5. But all that did was an arm cracked. Everything else is safe. The motors are good. Yeah. Woo!